Hello, everyone.
If you type certain values into Excel, it may automatically convert them into dates. For example, if you enter something like a fraction or even a sports result like this, Excel might turn that into a date. Here's how to stop that. There's no single fix because Excel doesn't actually know what your data means. So the cleanest solution is this. Before you type anything, format the cells based on what you're entering. Select your column. Right-click. Go to Format Cells, and then choose the correct type. If you're entering fractions, choose fraction. If you're entering something like a score or a label, use text. Once you do that, Excel will stop converting your values. Now, this only works for new entries. If Excel has already changed your data, you'll need to fix it manually. That means set the correct format first and then re-enter the values. There's no quick automatic fix for that part. There are a few alternative tricks, but they come with downsides. For example, you can add an apostrophe at the beginning, like this. Excel will keep the value as is and won't convert it. But now it's stored as text, which means formulas won't work properly. In most cases, this is not the best option. This result is incorrect. This result is correct. So why does this even happen? Excel assumes you're entering dates because formats you are entering match date patterns. But it's just guessing, and sometimes it guesses wrong. And if you don't tell it otherwise, it will keep guessing every single time. So the key idea is simple. Tell Excel what your data is before you start typing. If it's a fraction, format it as a fraction. If it's text, set it to text. Once you do that, the problem disappears. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.